Walk southwest. Careful, the magic to engage, okay? You listen, Papa's in the church. Clear the mobs first.
Where's Apports?
Clear the mobs towards west.
Meron ba kalaban?
Careful. They might try to bomb. Listen. Come northwest.
Behave sa
Ay, Gillerals.
You're not in any party, Apports? How are you gonna gain kills?
Hindi, nasa P1 siya.
Oh, P1. Wow.
Lumalabas ang
Mag-live kayo sa main.
Got you. Slowly walking. Careful on the west side. They need guys on the west side, okay? Slowly walking. You listen, we're gonna do shallow, okay? We're gonna hit shallow. 5,
Famas?
4, 3.
Oh wait, Famas
Shallow.
debassed.
Come back fast. Just come back. You
Yeah,
don't
it was
overextend. Just
legit.
play together for now.
I thought it was a joke.
Hold on.
From strongest Zerg to
Yo, listen, Papa's in the church.
Disband.
Actually, Papa's in the
Disband.
church.
Wow.
Papa's in the church. Listen, kiss the business guy. Kiss the business guy.
coming out.
Listen,
Oh,
walk. Careful. Western 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. Hit the shit. This is fight. Come. Don't overstand. We play together, boys. Come back. Heal up the front. Hold. Papa's in the church.
Namatay ka? Tobas?
Listen, hold on.
No need for
Hold on. Got you. Spread. Come on side. Walk me north. Keep walking north. Come on. Come on. Yo, play together. Stay together. Please. Don't go overstand, okay? Listen. Hold me now. Listen, we can hit shallow again, okay? Listen, hold.
Wait, no OC?
Come back. Just don't overcommit, okay? Just don't overcommit.
Oh,
We
wow.
play together for now, okay?
Going out.
Listen, spread. Hold. Listen, walk south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You hit the southwest now. Hit the southwest now. Heavy them. Come on. Just don't overstand, okay? Listen. Walk together now. Walk together now.
Oh,
Walk together. Play inside.
Spread a bit.
Yo, play inside. Come on. Walk north. Kite north. Listen, yo, pressure against the side. Walk northwest. Listen here. Southwest. Listen here. Come northwest. Walk me northwest. Hold now. We gonna turn southwest again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the shallow now. The depth attack. Listen, walk southwest. Walk northwest. Pressure against the side. Just walk together. Hold on.
Bumalik na ba sila ng bridge watch?
Hold on me. Listen, come back. Full come back. Careful. Heal up the front. Listen, walk. South. Just walk for now. Give me guide those now. Guide those at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guide those out. Guide those shallow. Hit. Come on.
You can be aggressive.
Come on.
You don't have to.
Come on. Play the inside. Help the best. Don't leave the front. Listen. Hold on me.
What the
Yo,
fuck?
Come on.
Oh, you got bedrock.
Zerg.
You got bedrock.
Come on.
I thought your W was like
4, 3, 2,
bug
1.
or
Within
cheese,
western. It's all of them. Damage. Nice hit. You. Listen, come on. Pressure against side. Pushes out.
I think it's Zerg's
Full pushes. Listen. Heal up. Walk west. Pressure them down the west. Look at the toe. Give me guards. Listen, hold. Don't commit. Hold. Come back. Heal up. Listen. Western in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Western now. It's all of them. Listen.
Take ko yung sarili ko.
Yo, come on.
Homie.
Main Zerg.
Yo, listen, walkies.
Heal robust,
Walkies,
come
just
on.
get together.
Shit.
Listen, pressure against the side.
robust.
Yeah, you play together, play inside. You play inside, boys, don't overextend.
I think-
You play inside. Keep walking east now. Keep walking east. Keep walking east. Listen, they're gonna send you, they're gonna turn. Listen, hold it now. Defense. Listen, Otavas again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Otavas now. Do you have damage here? Listen, walkies.
Go the other way.
Yeah, listen, keep fighting this, keep fighting this.
Go
Cut.
north.
Robes if you have, Rob does you, Robes,
Coming out.
Robes if you have,
Alright.
listen, you guide those. Keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast,
Yes.
keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast,
Hey.
keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast, spread. Engaging soon, engaging now, push it up, push it
Hey.
down.
Say.
Listen, direct to Thomas again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything we got to Thomas, everything we got to Thomas, Listen, damage, just pull up. Just pull up.
Wala damage.
Sobrang juicy nung hit ko,
Damn.
pero di ako nakapag-pats.
Pinatay ko lang talaga sarili ko dun.
Ang
Pull up.
galing mo, ano?
Demon.
Oo.
Nakabasta
Galing ng
ng
team.
damage.
Hindi, one engage lang kasi tayo, kaya predictable yun.
Oo.
They're just gonna count.
Yeah, save yourselves, boys, okay? Basta lang.
Hindi nila ako mapatay.
Nasa
Gago.
pinaka-backline ako matake eh. Pero, so, sakit.
Run.
Damn, son.